Hey friends, this is Rajiv again. I hope you all are doing good and enjoying the lockdown and doing a lot of work regarding blogging. So, in this video today, I'm going to talk about hosting. You all know that about 40% of the time, if your website is slow, is because of your hosting. And I'm using a hosting called Siteground for about a year, and I have a good experience with that. And I'm going to explain and show you why it is fast and how is my website load and why you should buy it. As you all know that I don't recommend a product without using that. So I'm using SiteGround for a year, and I'm gonna show you the proof. I'm gonna show you like how fast my website is. Okay. So here's the SiteGround website. Let me go to my control panel. So this is a brand new interface that you're gonna see in SiteGround. So once you log into that, as you can see that I have two websites. These are my main blogs that I hosted in SiteGround because SiteGround is so fast. And let me show you the proof how fast those blogs are. Let me go to G2 Matrix and paste my URL. So as you can see that the site loading time is 2.2 seconds and about 16 requests, and you can see the scores are 197. You have to run the analysis one more time just to make sure that the cache is built up so that you'll get the actual speed. So here you can see that the site is loaded in 1.6 seconds, which is really good, right? And if you go to the timings, you can see the time of first byte is 330 milliseconds. So anything below half a second is good for a good hosting. So it's loading in 330 milliseconds, which is really good. So as you can see that my website hosted in SiteGround is really fast. So now let me show you how you can purchase Siteground hosting, what are the offers, what are the plans. So as you can see, like they have the 3-month starter plan for only about $1. I mean, you can just try this plan, and if you're not happy after 3 months, you can just kick it out. But for 3 months about $1, it's very cheap. So hardly about 33 cents per month. You won't get a good hosting like SiteGround for 33 seconds. Here are some of the features SiteGround. You can see this direct delivery. It will speed up your website like anything. You have the health checks. You have the protection for exploits. You can control the bot traffic. So, and again you can see the all new interface, so you won't see the boring cPanel interface. They have their own interface. You have this backup and restores. You have the SSL certificate. You have the staging. This is really great, right? You have the WordPress starter plugins. You have the migration plugin if you want to migrate from other hosting to SiteGround. So these are some of the features that SiteGround has. This is the speed boosters. SiteGround has their own cache plugin called Super Cacher, which will speed up your site like anything. Personally, I'm using the Super Cacher with WP Rocket, and that's I'm getting a good speed. This is one of the company that has their own caching plugin, which is really good. So coming to the hosting plan, they have 4 plans. The cloud is really super costly, so you have to choose either the web hosting or WordPress hosting. Both are same. I have selected the WordPress hosting. They have 3 plans. One is startup, grow big, and go gig. I'm using grow big. So this is the plan that is good in the sense like I can host unlimited websites. The plan I'm talking about for 33 cents per month is the starter plan. In that you can host only one website. If you're a beginner, that makes sense, right? So let me show you the buying process. Once you select the plans, oh my god, I think I was logged in, so I have to log out and then I have to show the buying process. Because if I don't do that, they will charge in my account. So let me go to Siteground one more time. Let me select the web hosting or WordPress hosting, both are same, and click on get plan. Here you have to give your domain name. You can either register a domain or you can use an existing domain. I'll prefer to buy the domain from outside because in Siteground the domain name is too costly. So I'm using my existing domain name. You have to give your email ID and password for account creation. And give all the information as required. Here they give the payment details. Here is the plan details. Then the data center, this is really important. You can choose either US or Singapore if you're from India or some European countries. So data center plays a big role in your website speed. So they have a lot of options. For 3 months it's just about $1. If you wish, you can buy for 12 months. Personally, I'll prefer you to buy for 36 months, which is really a good deal. So then you have to make the payment, and then you'll have the access for the Siteground control panel. So let me log into that and show you how the interface looks like. So here's the interface. You can see both the websites are listed here. So you can go to new website and click and add a new website. So let me go to the site tools to see what you have in that site. What are the options do you have? In the cPanel, you have the cPanel interface, right? But in Siteground, they have a different interface. So you need some time to get accustomed with the interface. But the options and all the features are almost same. You can see that site, then security, then you have the speed, the Cloudflare and caching. So all those things are integrated into the interface. Okay, if you click on the caching, it will show the direct delivery, then the dynamic cache, then the MAM cache, which is some unique features and you won't get in other hosting in the same price range. If you go to WordPress, you have the option for the install and manage. You have the migration option and all those things. If you go to the domain, you can have the domain name managers over there. You can have the DNS zone. So each and everything you can control from here. You don't have to go to the Cloudflare also. Coming to statistics, you have the traffic information. If you click on the traffic information, you have information like how many visitors are visiting your site and number of pages that people are visiting when they go to your website. If you come to development, you have the information for the cron jobs that are running behind your website. So it's fairly straightforward interface, and you have all the options on the left side, and the navigation is really good. So here is the deal. Like if you want to try Siteground, you can use for $1 for 3 months, and that's really a good deal, right? And also, if you buy Siteground by clicking the link from the description, then I'm going to give you a WordPress theme which is a premium theme, and I'm going to give you for free. And if you buy that theme from the outside, it costs about $60. So I'm giving it for free if you buy Siteground hosting from the link that I gave in the description. So guys, that's all I have in this video. I hope you got an idea about Siteground hostings. If you have any questions, any query, do it in the comment section and I'll be happy to assist you. Thanks for watching.